Do I remember correctly that in the 1970s and 80s you were the vice president of a temple?
Yeah.
How did that come about?
I couldn't imagine how anybody would appoint me vice president of anything like that. It just happened. It was the then president of Temple Sinai. This is a Reformed temple now. He wanted me to be on the bimah, always do something. And I'm non-religious. I don't even know Hebrew, let alone. So what is he doing that to me? I actually wound up on the bimah. Can't believe it. I mean, it was so unrealistic to pick somebody like me, because every third Saturday service, rather Friday night service, I'd have to be the person that was on the bimah and had to make a speech.
Because you were vice president of
Yeah,
the shul.
right. That was ridiculous. But I went along with it, and the temple went along with it. It was a Reform, pretty progressive temple. And so I lived with it. I said to myself, what am I doing?
How long did you do that for? Do you remember?
Well, several years.
Mm-hmm.
I kept them, well, the president of the temple at the time, he kind of liked me. I don't know why, but he did. And he really encouraged me to become part of that temple service, you know. So I went along with it.